Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LEADSLEAP video, we're going to have a look at a brand new feature, which is a professional signature file for all emails. So you get a notification within your LEADSLEAP back office whenever they launch a new feature. And I'm going to go onto the LEADSLEAP blog, and here is the actual post: professional signature file for all emails. And the great thing is with the LEADSLEAP, they are constantly updating their tools, making it more professional. The platform's totally free to join. There'll be a link in the description. And it says here, today I'm going to show you how you can create a signature file that can automatically be inserted into all your email series and or broadcasts. With this new addition, you can easily create a professional looking email template like this. And they give you an example below, and this sort of shows you the professional headers that are available now. They launched that new feature a couple of weeks ago, and then the signature file automatically added into your emails. This one here, the arrow pointing to that, and they give you the advantages of having a signature file. So the signature file will be added automatically, so you don't have to worry about the undersign every time you write an email. So I do talk a lot in my videos about automating processes, and this is another great feature that LEADSLEAP have done to automate your online marketing. And number two is you can easily update your signature file with links to your latest offers without having to change every email in your email series. And then underneath, they're going to give you step by step. So they do little drawings as well and step by step tutorials. And then further down, there's a video tutorial as well here, just a short 1-minute tutorial video that gives you a demo and how you can create that email signature just using a standard template. And they give you a final reminder. So once activated, the signature will be added to the end of your email series or broadcasts. Always check and make sure that you do not have any unnecessary line breaks at the end of your emails that you need to remove the old undersign in each email. So they give you these nice little reminders just to keep everything professional for you and make sure you don't make any little errors that are going to make you look unprofessional before you add these new features to your email lists or broadcasts. So great new feature there. And if you're not familiar with LEADSLEAP, you can actually use some of these free tools before you even set up a free account. So there'll be a link in the description that will take you to a page like this, and you can join here for free. It's got 120,000 members, 28 real visitors, real people sent your advertising to buyers. I'm just going to show you here where you go into the free tools and you can have a little play around. So click the link in the description, go to free tools, and if you want to have a little play with some of these tools before you decide to set your account up, so there's a landing page builder here, and you just click on there and try the landing page builder, and it'll take a while to load up because I'm creating a video today, so it'll be a bit slow loading up. But what it does, it allows you to use these free tools and see whether you think these are actually going to be valuable in you building your business online. So all you do is click on template and then click on any one of these. Let's say if you want to do a video page, and once it loads up on the top right hand corner here, you'll see a user guide. So you can have a play around with this. It's totally free. You're not going to break anything. You just have a little play around. You click there on the top right for your user guide, and then you click around here in these editors, and you can edit all this. You can even take the video out if you want to do, and just play around with text and colors and images and have a little play around. All these tools are totally free, and they can be forever free to build any business online. I use them every single day within my online business. So let's just have a little recap on today. LEADSLEAP, totally free to join. There'll be a link in the description, and free tools to build any online business. Within LEADSLEAP, if you use the actual traffic within there, you're going to be advertising to buyers. So because they've got several upgrade options, I'm a buyer, I've upgraded to Pro, even though I started for free. So I'm a buyer and I advertise in LEADSLEAP, and I also spend time in there looking at other offers. And if I see something that catches my eye, then I join it and I buy it as well. So you can also earn residual income as a free member with LEADSLEAP by promoting it. So remember that people, especially new people coming online, they all need traffic, buyer traffic, and they all need free tools to build an online business. So what you can do is, as a free member, I'll just show you here on the actual chart, you can earn residual income commission by promoting LEADSLEAP as a traffic and tool platform. So you'll see here on the free versus promotion chart, down the left hand side is the free, the benefits of joining for free, and at the bottom here, affiliate commissions, you will earn 25% recurring commissions as a free member if any of your referrals upgrade to Pro, just like I did. So the person who referred me when I joined for free, when I upgraded, they're now earning either 25, or if they're a Pro member, they're earning 50% recurring commissions because I use this platform every single month as a Pro member. So just go back over here, and I'll also give you one-to-one mentoring and support because I use LEADSLEAP every single day to build my online business. And if you've enjoyed today's video and the content, please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. I'd really appreciate that. That will help support me on my YouTube journey, and with the YouTube algorithm, that will help other people see this video as well. Please click subscribe and the bell icon for my new videos. I'm currently doing several new videos every single week. I'm not quite sure what's happened there. So I'm doing several videos every single week, and you'll see now I've got over 350 videos on the channel. If that's going to load up here, let's go back into videos. 350 videos on the channel, and I do several new videos every week. We've got lots of, excuse me, we've got all the core fundamentals of making money online, which are tools, traffic, and training. You can't be successful in affiliate marketing or MLM without the right tools, traffic, and training. We've got free and paid options. We give you proof of what's working. I started out totally for free, and I'm building up slowly in my spare time alongside my job. And there's opportunities on here that might interest you. We talk about list building, building a YouTube channel. So there's lots of information on here for you. And I've also done some playlists. So you'll see a LEADSLEAP review playlist somewhere here. Currently 15 videos there within that playlist. So I sort of go into the back office of LEADSLEAP and just do video reviews on the different components of the platform. And what I'll do is I will pin this LEADSLEAP review playlist to the top comment below this video, and you can have a look at that if you want to watch some of those review videos as well. So if you've got any questions at all on LEADSLEAP, then please leave those in the comments below. I use it every single day, so I'm familiar with the platform and how it works and how it can help you build your online business. So any questions, please leave those in the comments below, and I'll answer all those questions for you. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I shall look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.